Hi everyone. So in previous class we discussed that fractions and decimal chapter, and we done the introduction and we learned the concepts, and we have done to 25 to 26 practice MCQ questions. Now we are going to start another practice MCQ questions. So those who are new to the classes, please go through the playlist and check the playlist and listen the before classes introduction as well as what we have done in the practice session, and then you have to look this one. So start the today's session. So completed, 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 completed. Okay, Navodaya. Okay, very perfect. Perfect. So today question starts from 25 to 24. We are discussing the last session. Up to 24 we discussed in the last session. So today the question starts from 25. Now what is the today's first question here? Arrange the fractions in ascending order. So these are the fraction he has given. We have to arrange in ascending order. So from this top in fractions in previous year questions, if you analyze the questions, arranging ascending order or descending order, there without this question there will be no paper. See, so he will give the fractions, and you have to arrange. He will ask you have to arrange in descending order or maybe in ascending order. His wish. But without this concept, there will be no question paper, right? Either in RMS or in Sainik or in Navodaya, or else you can check in other Gurukul exams or anything, right? Now here, what you have to do here? Arrange the fractions in ascending order. So ascending order, here what are the fractions he has given? 3 by 4, next 1 by 6, next 9 by 8, 10 by 13. Now what you have to do? There will be two methods. What? Either you have to make the decimals, uh, either you have to make all these fractions in like fractions, means what, denominators are same, or you have to convert into decimals and check which is smaller and which is greater, and then you have to arrange in the descending or ascending order. Two methods. So we have discussed both methods in our introduction class and playlist also. So those who don't know, you can go and check there. So now, which is the easy method? Here see, 13, 8, 6, 4. So maybe if you here, if you take the LCM here, it will be long process. Then what you have to do? Better to go through the decimal process. Means what? See, 3 by 4 is nothing but how much? 0.75. Here 1 by 6 is nothing but what? 0.1, right? Next, approx 0.1. I'm taking only after decimal, I'm taking only one digit. So if similar decimal will come, means I will take another digit, right? For that, I'm taking only one digit after decimal. Here 9 by 8 is nothing but how much? 9, 8, 1 point what? 1.1. Here 10 by 13 is nothing but 100, means 0.137 is 91, means what? 0.7, right? 0.791 means what? 100, 13, 0.7 is 91, here 9, again 0, 13 6 is 78, 12. So what we got? 0.76 here. Why I took 0. Here 0.75 is there and 0.7 is there. So I need to take another decimal here. So 5 and 6. Now you have to arrange in ascending order or descending order. Means what? Now you have to compare all the decimals here. So first 0. 0.75, 0.1, 1.1, 0.76. Among these, which is the smaller? Ascending order means what you have to do? Ascending order means big, small to big, means smallest to highest. Means what here? First, 0, 0, here 1. So this is the largest fraction, right? This is the largest fraction. So no need to check. This is the last fraction. Here 0. So among these, all are first digits are 0. Then go for the next digit. Here 7 and here 1, here 7. So 7, 1, 7. Which is smaller? 0.1. So 0.1 is smaller than what? Here 0.75 and 0.76. Which is smaller? 0.75. 0.75 is smaller than 0.76 is smaller than what? 1.1. Now we successfully we arranged in ascending order. Means what? Now write down the fraction. 0.1 fraction is how much? 1 by 6 is less than how much? 0.75 means 3 by 4 is less than here 0.76 is less means what? 10 by 13 is less than 1.1 means 9 by 8. So, so what is the answer? So arranged in ascending order means 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 3 by 4, 10 by 13, 9 by 8. So which option? Option D is the right answer. Like this you have to do the answer. If you arrange in ascending order, automatically opposite means it will be in descending order like this. So better you have to go to the decimal process, right? Now, next question. Here, what should be taken out of 3 by 7 to get 2 by 7? So what is asking? What should be taken out of 3 by 7 to get 2 by 7? Means taken out means what? Subtracted. What should be subtracted of 3 by 7 to get 2 by 7? Means what? Here, what should be subtract? I don't know what should be. I want to subtract. Then I'm that is unknown value. So I'm taking what? X. So 3 by 7 minus x. X is unknown value. I want to subtract. Is equal to what should I get? To get what? Result is 2 by 7. Now find out the x value. So here x is in negative. So bring to RHS, then it will become positive. And bring this 2 by 7 to LHS. Then what will become? 3 by 7 minus 2 by 7 is equal to x. Then what will become? See, these two are like fractions. Mean what? These two are like fractions means denominator is same. Then subtract the numerators here. So 3 minus 2 how much? 1. So 1 by 7. What is the value of x? X is equal to 1 by 7. So which option? Option C is the right answer. If you subtract 1 by 7 from 3 by 7, then what will get? 2 by 7. Got it? So this is how you can do. Next question. Next 27. Which of the following is the largest fraction? So he given four options. So among this, you have to find out which is largest fraction. Means what you have to do? Direct. First, check the all options are in like fractions or not like fractions. So these are unlike fractions. So you have to go through the decimal process. Five by six is nothing but what? 0.8, right? 50 by 6, 8 is a 48. Next 9 by 10 means nothing but 90. 90 means what? 0.9. 0.9. Here 7 by 9 means nothing but 70. 70 means 0.7. 9 7 ja 63. 0.7. Here 10 by 11 is nothing but 100. 100 means 0.9. See, here 0.9 is there, here 0.9 is there. So both are same means you have to go for the next digit after decimal. Then what? Here 90 by 10 is nothing but 0.9. It can be 0.90. But here 10, 10 by 11 means 100. Means 11 nines are 99. 1 is remaining. Then what? 100, 11, 0.9s are 99. Then here 1 remaining. Then again what you have to do? You have to keep 0 means no. Then what you have to do? Keep 0. Again 100. Then line. So we here, right? Then among this, which is the greatest here? 0.8 is smaller and 0.7 is also smaller. So among this, which is greater? Option D. 0.909 is the greatest fraction. Got it? Like this. Next, 28. Next question, 28. Here, the two consecutive integers between which the fraction 17 by 4 lies are. So what is given? He given four options among these two numbers, and you have to find out 17 by 4 lies between which option, which two numbers. So what you have to do? First 17 by 4 you have to convert into decimal. Means what? 17 by 4 is nothing but 4.4 4 is 16 1 means 4.25. So 4.25 lies between which number? Actually, it is starting from 4, right? So 4.25 lies between 4 and 5. So this is the scale, right? If you write down the scale here, see 4, 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6, like this up to 5. But in this between here 4.1 we got what? 4.25 means what? From 4.2 to 4.3 there will be 4.25. So here 17 by 4 lies between what? 4.4 and between 5. So which option? Option B is the right answer. Like this. Okay. Next question. 29. Compute the reciprocal. Compute the reciprocal of the expression given below. See what is asking? Reciprocal of the expression given below means what? 63. First find out the value 63 by 45 into 9 by 7. See 7 ones are 7 nines are 9 ones are 9 fives are. So what we got result? 9 by 5. But this is not the answer because what is asking? He is asking reciprocal. Reciprocal means 5 by 9. 5 by 9 is the reciprocal of 9 by 5. So which option? Option A. He given 9 by 5 also. If you keep that answer, then it will be wrong because he given what? After getting the result, you have to do the reciprocal and keep the answer. So 9 by, we got the answer 9 by 5. Then what is the reciprocal of 9 by 5? 5 by 9. Like this. Next question. 30. Here. What is the sum of now, sum of the decimals means what you have to do? You have to first write down one by in order. Means what you will get? See, 1 11.1, next 0, 0.11, next 1 11.01. If you write down like this, so then if you will get the easy. Then equalize all the decimals. See, 11.10 means nothing but 11.1 only. Here see, what you have to do? Addition. All there will be plus. Then 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Here 1 plus 1, 2. Next 1 by 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. So what we got? 22.22 is the answer. So which option? 22.22. Option C is the right answer. Like this, you have to do the addition of decimals or subtraction of decimals. Next question. 31. Subtract the difference of 8.362 and 7.942 from the sum of what? 5.675 and 1.327. So this question is easy. Nothing is there in the question. You have to add and subtract the question, but you have to understand the question. What is the logic he has given? Then what is given? If you know how to read the question, then this question will understand. See, subtract the difference of which two decimals? These two decimals. If you subtract these two decimals, you will get one result, right? So you will get something. If you subtract these results, you will get result A. Then from the sum of what? You have to sum of these two decimals means what? See, if you add these two decimals, you will get the B. Then you got two results, but another logic is given. Difference of these two means again first starting only what he has given subtract. Subtract means you have to subtract both results. Means what? you have to subtract this result from this, means what? B minus A, right? So after getting the sum of the results, you have to subtract the difference of this result, then you will get the final answer, right? So see here, first what you have to do the sum here. So sum of 5.675 here, 5.675 and 1.327. What you have to do? Addition. Means what? 5 plus 7, 12, 1 carry, 10, 1 carries, 10, 1 carry, 5, 6, 7. So what we got? If you sum of these two decimal, we got 7.002. Then what you have to do? Difference of these two results. So what is the difference here? Tell me. 8.362, 7.942. What you have to do? Difference. You only is given here difference, right? So difference means minus 2 minus 2 0, 6 minus 4 2. Here 3 is less than 9. Take borrow 10. 13 minus 9 4. Point here 7. 7 minus 7 0. So what we got? Difference is 0.420. Then what you have to do? He given here subtract. Subtract means what you have to do? You have to subtract this value from this value. Then what will get? 7.002 minus 0.420. So 2, 2 minus 2, 0, 2, 10 minus 2, 8, and 9 minus 4, 5. Next, here 6. So what we got? Final result 6.582. So which option? Option A is the right answer. So this is how you have to do the operations. Got it? So how you will do? If you understand the question, then you can do this. So simple. Nothing is there here. Addition and subtraction. But the main thing is you have to understand the question. Next 32. Here 4 plus addition of decimals here. So what I told you, first write down in order, means 4 first. 4 point here, 4.00. Can I write here? Because after here highest number of digits after decimal is 2, that's why I am taking after decimal 2 digits here. Next what is there? 4.44. Next 44.40. See, 4.00 is nothing but 4 only. 44.40 is nothing but 4 only. 44.4. So value doesn't change, because after decimal there will be no values at the end of the uh, if at the end of the digits. If there is a 0, there will be no values, right? No value of the 0, right? So here what you have to do? Addition. 0 plus 4, 4. Here 4 plus 4, 8. And here 4, 4, 8, 12. 12 means 1 carry 5. So what we got? 52.84 is the answer. So which option? 52.84. Option B is the right answer, right? Next 33. The number which is to be added to 0.001 to get 1.111, means what? Before previous question, what you done? Subtract. Now this is also logic question. See, the number which is to be added to get what? 0.001 to get 11. See, to get means what? This is the result we will got, and what should be added to this decimal, then we will get this value, means what? Here. So I don't know, I have to find out the value, means I am taking what? X, because of that is unknown value, means here what should be added? Added means plus. What should be added? I don't know. That's why I'm taking X. So which within which decimal I want to add? 0.001. So what? After adding unknown value to this decimal, what I got? Result is what? 1.111. Right? Then find out the X value. Already X is in positive. So no need to uh, bring X to that side. You have to bring only 0.001, because if you are finding any variable value, that should be in one side only. Remaining all values should be uh, separated to other side, right? So LHS becomes RHS now. Then bring this value to this side. Then X is equal to 1.111 plus becomes minus 0.001. Then see, 1 minus 1 0. So 1 minus 0 1. Here 1 minus 0 1, and here 1 minus 0 1. So what we got finally? 1.110. Nothing but What? See, 1.11 is nothing but can here 0 has no value now because of ending 0. So after decimal if the ending number is 0, then it has no value. So this can be written as what? 1.11. So which option? 1.11 is option D is the right answer. This is how you have to solve these questions. Right? Next question. 34. Now division of decimals. So we have known that how to divide or how to subtract or how to add and how to multiply the fraction values. We have done in previous class. So those who are new to this class, you can go and check the playlist. Now we are doing the division of decimals. So we learned about how to divide the fractions. Now we have to learn how to divide the decimal. Here, see 12.4 divided by 3.1. Here this can be written as how? 12.4 by 3.1. Here after decimal how many digits are there? Only one digit. After decimal how many digits are there? Only one digit. Here after decimal how many digits are there? Only one digit. So five decimals are cancelled. How it will cancel? See, 12.4 can be written as 124 by 10 in fraction, right? And here 3.1 can be written as 331 by 10 in fraction, right? So we discuss this type of method in introduction class. Now here this will be reciprocal or not? So here reciprocal means what we'll get? 124 into 10. This will goes to the numerator and this will comes to the denominator. Means 124 by 10 into 31 into 10. So 10 get cancelled or not? What we left here? 124 by 31. Means what? Directly without doing this one. If you know the trick, here after decimal, you have to compare number of digits are there in denominator and numerator. If the number of digits in denominator and numerator are there are equal in after decimal, then the points will be decimal will be cancelled. If the then what we'll get here? Points will be cancelled now. Then what we left here? 124 by 31. So 31 ones are 31 fours are. So what is the answer? 4. So what is the value of x here? What is the value after dividing the decimal? 4 is the answer. Like this. Right? Next. Find the sum of find the sum of the fractions in decimal number. Decimal form. Means what? He is given in fraction. You have to convert them into decimal and then you have to add all those decimal values. Means what here? See 3 by 10 plus 5 by 100 plus 8 by 1000. Then what you have to do? 3 by 10. So convert fraction into decimal here. What will get? Here, see, in denominator how many zeros are there? Only one zero. So there should be one digit after decimal. Means what? 0.3 plus. Here after after decimal there should be two zeros. Two digits because in denominator there will be two zeros. So 0.05. Next here 0.008. Now you have to add these values. Means what? What will get? 0.3. Next 0.05. Next 0.008. Means what? 853.0. So what will get? Final answer 0.358. So which option? Option D is the right answer. Or the shortcut trick is here what? See, decimals means what? 10, 100, here 10, 100 and 1000. So among this, which is the largest one? 1000 is the largest one. Means what? After if you convert into decimal, after decimal there should be three digits. So what if you add this 3, 5, 8 are in sequence, right? So there should be three digits no because of decimal highest value is 1000. So count from right side 1, 2, 3. So keep decimal here directly without doing all this value. So how will know this? Because if you know if you are perfect in this, then it will be easy for you, right? Like this. Next, next 1 plus 0 plus 9 by 10 plus 3 by 100. So you have to add. Then what will get here? First number will get 1 here 1093. So what is the highest value in decimal? Huh? 25 last time. So highest value in the denominator is what here? 100. So there should be two digits. Means what? 1 to 10.903. So which option? Here 1 plus 0 plus 9 by 10 is nothing but 0.9 plus 0.03. Right? Now here 1 point, here 1 plus 0 0, then 9, next 3. 1.93 is the answer. 1.00, next 0.00, next 0.90, next 0.03. So what we get? 1.93 is the answer. So what is the option? 1.93. So which option? Option A is the right answer. Got it? Next, 37. Find the value of 6.25 into 2 by 5. So multiplication of now what? Decimal into fractions. Means what here? Now see, multiplication of what? Fraction into decimal here. Means what? 6.25 into 2 by 5. Now convert this, see, convert this decimal into fraction, then it will be easy for cancellation, right? So it will get fraction into fraction multiplication. So after decimal, how many digits are there? There will be two digits. Then what will get in denominator? Will get two zeros. Then what will 625 by 100, right? Into 2 by 5. Now 5 ones are 5, 125 is up, right? So 125 into 2, how much? 250. 250 upon 100. 0, 0 get cancelled. Then what will left here? 2.5 is the answer. So which option will get? What will get? 2.5. 2.5 is the answer, because here 125 into 2, 250. So 250 divided by 100 means what? 0, 0 get cancelled. Then what will left? 25 by 10. 25 by 10 means in denominator there will be 1 0. So there should be one digit after decimal. Then 2 by 2.5. Right? So which option? Option C is the answer. Next, the fraction 2, 2 by 5 is equal to what? So convert this fraction into decimal. Means what? First, here 2, 2 by 5, right? This is the mixed fraction. So what about this one? I told you in the class, previous introduction class, 2 is what? Whole part, right? And this 2 by 5 is what? Fractional part, right? If you are converting, mixed fraction into decimal, then write down this whole part as same as it is. 2, next 2 by 5. What is the, convert this fraction part into decimal? 2 by 5. What is the decimal? 0.4, because 2 is less than 5. If you put the decimal, it will become 20. So 5 for the 20. So what is the decimal? 0.4. So 2 plus 0.4. How much? 2.4 is the answer. So which option? Option A is the right answer. Got it? Next, 39. Here, convert the fraction 125 into decimal number. So 125 divided by 100. Convert into decimal means what? In denominator, how many zeros are there? Two zeros. Then count down. Here 120. Write down numerator as it is. Now you have to keep the decimal now. In denominator, how many digits are there? Two digits. So from right side, you have to count down two digits. There should be two digits after decimal, because of there will be two zeros. So 1, 2. Keep here decimal. So what is the value? 1.25. So which option? Option B is the right answer. Next, 40. convert decimal 1.25 into fraction of simplest form. So same previous question only. Now we have to convert decimal to fraction 1.25. So fraction means what? After decimal, how many digits are there? Two digits. Then there should be two zeros in decimal. Means what? 100. 100 means write down numerator 125. So what is telling simplest form means what? There should be no common factor other than 1 between numerator and denominator. Means what here? 5, 25 fours are 25 fives are. So what we left? 5 by 4. See, 5 and 4 HCF is 1 and common factor is also 1. So this is the simplest form. No cancellation is possible after 5 by 4. So which option? Option D is the right answer. Got it? Why I am converted here? Because he asked in simplest form, not in original fraction, right? ఇంకా ఉన్నాయి క్వశ్చన్స్. ఓకే. ఇంకా 5 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఇది అయిపోయింది. 5 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఇంకా. ఓకేనా? Now convert 0.4776 into the fraction. Now what he is not asking in simplest form. He is directed decimal to fraction. He is asking, so what? 0.4776. Convert into decimal means what? First count down how many digits are there after decimal. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4, there should be 4 zeros in denominator. Means what? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros written. So balance. So we remove the decimal. Now write down the number as usual. Means what? What we left? 4776. So what is the fraction value? 4776 by 10,000. So which option? Option B is the right answer. Next, 42. Next, convert the sum of decimal numbers 0.25 and 1.15 into a fraction. Means what? First, you have to add this decimal and you have to convert into fraction. Means what? Or you can directly convert them into fraction and do the addition. Means 0.25 plus 1.15. So 0.25 is nothing but 25 by 100, right? Here plus 1.15 is nothing but what? 115 by 100. See, these two are like fractions right now. So what is the denominator will get? 100. So in like fractions, the numerator multiplication, addition or subtraction will be same. So same means what you have to do as usual. So 25 plus 115, how much? 140. What will get? 140. So 0, 0 get cancelled and the 2 sevens are 2 fives are. So what we left here? 7 by 5 is the final answer. So which option? Option B is the right answer. Next, 43. Subtract subtract 13 3 by 5 from 21 5 by 8. So these are the mixed fractions. You have to convert into improper and do the subtraction. Means what? 13 3 by 5 nothing but what? 65. 13 3 by 5 and 21 5 by 8 minus. Why I am taking 21 5 by 8 before only? Because he is asking subtract this number from this fraction from this fraction. Means what? You have to subtract 21 13 by 13 3 by 5 from 21.5. Then what will get? See, here whole parts is there, no? Then direct 21 minus 13 how much? 8, right? 21 minus 13 how much? 8, like this. First subtract whole part here. Write down whole part. 21 minus 13, right? Plus here what? Plus here what? Uh, Subtract the fractions. 3 by 5 here. 21 5 by 8 minus 13 3 by 5. No, separate the whole part and fraction part. So what are the whole parts? These are whole parts. Now 21 minus 13. Do add as it is in subtraction. Then what here? 5 by 8 minus 3 by 5. Then what we'll get? See 21 minus 13 how much? 8. And here 3 by 5 minus 5 by 8 minus 3 by 5 how much? Do the butterfly method means 5 into 5 how much? Here 25. This will always 8 is always whole part, right? Now 25. 5 is a butterfly method means what you have to do? Cross multiplication. Or you can do the LCM method only. 5 5 is a 25. Then 8 3 is a 24 minus 24 upon 8 5 is a 40. Then what will get here? 8 whole. So 25 minus 24 how much? 1. So 1 by 40 is the answer. 8 whole 1 by 40. So which option? Option D is the right answer. Like this you have to solve. Got it? Three questions. Three questions only. Three questions. Now this is a word problem. John had 2 1 by 2 cake. So his friend ate 1 2 by 3 of the cake. How much of the cake left? Left means what here? You have to do the subtraction. Total minus 8. Means what? What is the 2 1 by 2 here? 2 1 by 2, 5. 2 2 is a 4, 4, 1, 4 plus 1. 5 by 2 is the total part. Total cake is how much? 5 1 by 2. How much is friend ate? 1 1 2 by 3. So 1 2 by 3. Nothing but what? 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 2 5. 5 by 3. Now how much left means what here? You have to do the subtraction. Means total minus how much they have eaten. Then what? 5 5 by 2 minus 5 by 3. Then what is the LCM here? 6 is the LCM. Then into 3 15 minus 10. How much? 5 by 6. So how much cake is left here? 5 by 6 cake is left after his friend ate 5 by 2. Next 45. Akbar gave one third of his saving to his wife and two fifth of to his son. Akbar's total saving was what? 24,000. Find the balance amount left with Akbar. Means what? Akbar is a person. He has a salary, so he is given some part to his wife and some part to his what son. And after giving them, he left what? Saving means what? Left. After the expenditure, how much you left? That is what we call saving. Means what? How much you left? 24,000. Find the balance amount left. Means what here? No. From savings only he has given to his son and his wife. Then after giving them, how much he left? Means what? See, wife, what is the part he given to wife? 1 by third. Off means what? Into. Savings means how much? 24,000. See, 3 ones are 3 8,000. So, how much he given to his wife? 8,000. Right? Then, son. How much he has given to his son? 2 by 2 fifth of his saving. 2 fifth of his savings. Then what? 24,000. See, 5 ones are 5 fours are 20, 5 eights are so 4,800. 4,800 into 2, 9,600 rupees he has given to his son. 8,000 he has given to his wife and 9,600 he has given to his son. Then what is the total amount he has given to both of them? 0, 0, 6, 17. So total from 24,000 he given 17,600. So how much he left means what? 24,000 minus 17,600. So what we get? 800. Then 23 minus 6, 6,800 rupees left after giving son and wife. So which option? Option B is the right answer. So this is the last question. So I hope you understood, and we'll meet in next session. Till then, bye. दो क्वेश्चन बचा है.